Nothing phases me anymore. Nothing phases me anymore. I don't care about doxing, but Uncle Sam does. No, you're right. You're right. Yeah, that would be bad. I also want you to be safe, though. Doxing is an important thing to keep in mind when on the internet. But then again, everyone doxes themselves on Facebook all the time, so it's understandable that people don't give a shit. But when you're streaming to a massive audience of 400, you know, you gotta start thinking about the bigger picture, right? When you're basically internet famous, you gotta start thinking about the bigger picture. I'm feeling confident about this run, Aaron, but if I fall again, I'm watching the clip. I want to see it. I'm feeling confident about this one. Stupid mistakes. It was just a stupid mistake. My ball! Oh no! Oh, my ball! Oh, I lost it. I lost one of my balls. Oh, it's gone. It was bound to happen eventually. These type of piercings are fucking awful. Your balls are gone. My balls are gone. I love this clip, though. If I could feature it again, I would. I'd love to do mouse, right? But you have to have like a constant upward motion. Oh, wait. You can use the arrow keys. Hold up. No, that's fucky. I don't like that. What just grabbed? Okay. Serious run. Very ultra serious run. This is gonna be good. Have you gotten further than the distance jump yet? Yeah. Really made it. Hold on. I gotta show you the clip. I made it to the next section. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Aaron is haters. See, it's the haters are why I made it. And then Aaron started being supportive all of a sudden. And then I fall. Coincidence? I think not. This isn't a conspiracy, liberals. This is real life. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh. Oh my god. I'm still standing by Elton John starts playing. Oh my god. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, you know what? That sounds like a perfect song to play right now. I'm still standing. I love that song. Okay, but like I want the sing version of that song. That's the song I want. That's the one I need right now. What was the gorilla's name? I don't remember his name. Fucking the guy who plays him, beautiful voice. Beautiful fucking voice.